My name is Pat Lopez. I'm the Harbor Master and General Manager here at Safe Harbor Loch Lomond, and I've been here for 23 years. We had an incredible build with Bellingham Marine, and we have new docks. Our docks were 26 years old. They were Alaskan fir, and they were in really, really bad condition. However, our underframing was heavy-duty pressure-treated lumber in really good condition. So this was a resurfacing the decking and all new flotation. We also removed tri-frames and put in metal tri-frames and really stiffened up the docks. The docks are very, very stable and incredibly stiff. Working with Bellingham was a great experience. The team was really, really competent and really great to work with, and there were no surprises. The communication with Bellingham was excellent on a day-to-day basis and also just global scope of the whole project. The quality of work with Bellingham is incredible. Anybody looking to replace docks, Bellingham is the #1 choice. They're the best dock builder out there in the world.